What's going on, family? Not financial advice. Do your own research. We're gonna show you exactly how I traded today, the levels that I marked yesterday, and how price reacted off of these levels. So I'm gonna show you exactly what price did today and why I traded what I traded. So I drew this orange line yesterday. I talked about it being a key zone because of all these touches off of this resistance here. So price kept touching this, showing it as a strong resistance, and they failed. This is where the support is. There's also a moving average down here on the bigger time frame. We got the 200 down here, uh, close to where they bounced. So they bounced off this key level at 39.50 to 39.46, 45 area. So they bounced off this level. We got a series of higher lows. I drew this yesterday. So if price reacted, which it did off of these levels, so I'm gonna show you what I saw right out the gate. So I have my levels drawn already. So what I saw today was a huge spike up, a gap up. So they have a huge gap this morning. So if you look at the overnight session, they just kind of trended up and it'll show you that. So the gap is where prices opened. They did push up and they stopped at this retracement level at the 38%, and then they consolidated. So they consolidated for about 20 minutes, I say, about 20 minutes, and then they began to break above this level with a strong push up. So 4,000 is a strong resistance. So people were shorting at this area because of 4,000 level. So they consolidated and pushed up, which created a trend line. We got a break of a consolidation and then another leg up. So two legs up all the way up to our key level that I drew. So price reacted off this level. They became stagnant. We got a high, then we got a series of lower highs. And I'm gonna show you on a smaller time frame. This is what price did. They pushed on up. We got a high. We got a series of lower highs, triple top at the resistance, and then we got to push down lower, and then we got a breakout pullback of this tiny range here. So this is the area that I shorted. Once I seen price begin to break down here, I got in way too late. I was supposed to be getting short up here at this rejection candle. So this was the trade that I took today. Once I seen a break down here, I seen a break on this big candle before it broke down. I got short here because the next support level is here. So this is the support level that we're trying to figure out what price is going, and this was the trade I was supposed to take. I'm gonna mark that because that's what I was supposed to take. I wasn't paying attention. I was actually doing something. I look back up, and then so this is the first target, right? Because this is where price is open. They bounced here, so this is where I'm expecting price to come. They stopped at this resistance. I shorted, so we got puts in here. Got a series of lower highs, and then a strong push down. So this is where I got short, and I was able to get down to this move, but I did not. I didn't capitalize. I took profits here, and I had a runner here. And once I seen them coming back up, I just kind of closed the position. I should have just closed the position, everything down here, and then uh, figured out if I want to leave a runner. But this is the short position that I took. So I had puts up here at this critical level that we drew yesterday. And then if we zoom out, we got a gap to fill. So if price push down aggressively and breaks beneath this level, we should be expecting to push down to the next support level. So if we zoom out, the next support level is here. So this is the next support level, right? Right in this area. This is the next support level right in this zone. And as you can see, they came straight down to, they didn't quite fill the gap, but they came down to the next support level. This is the next major support level. So you have plenty of opportunities today. They did consolidate and bounce. We got a series. We got a double bottom, spike down out the lows, and they came up bullish engulfing candle. You could have got the push up back up to 4,000, which they tested 4,000 again. So this was another potential trade you could have took. Calls down here at this level, back up to 4,000. So the two-legged correction, we got a consolidation, two legs back up to 4,000, and then we have a nice downtrend that they gave away pretty much at the end of the day. So we got this push up, aggressive push up to our resistance. So I got puts in here, and you could have took profits anywhere in this area. And then we got consolidation, support, and then we got two pushes up. So as you can see, got a trend line up, we got a break, and then another push up. We got a trend line down, we got a break, and then we got a push down. So the market likes to move in twos, and especially at these key levels. You have to pay attention to these key levels. So the next key level for tomorrow is what we already have. So we got the same levels that we have tomorrow. So we got to pay attention to these. And if price breaks beneath any of these levels, if it breaks beneath this level, you know we're coming down, back down to this major level down here. This is the level that they bounced previously, which is down here at 39.45. So that's our levels. We got our levels. This is the support level that they bounced. This is the resistance. So we're just in a range at this point. These are our levels. So as you can see, price reacted off of this level. And that is an opportunity for puts. All right. See how price reacted off of this level. This is the key level that I drew. And then price bounced off of this level. So price breaks beneath this level tomorrow, we can expect price to come back down to this level. So keep these levels in mind when you trade. So we want to see price goes to these levels. They don't just magically just go in one direction. If they're trending up, they're going to that number. They're going to the key level. So they bounced at this key level, which is around 375 to 380. They bounced at this level. They bounced at this trend line. So these are the highs. This is where you should be shorting. And these are the lows. This is where you could be potentially buying if the market shows some strength. So they did bounce off this trend line that was drawn. So we could continue to see a push back up and test this level again. So we'll see what happens tomorrow, but these are the key levels. So keep these key levels in your charts. We got calls down here, puts up here, depending on the market reacting off of these levels. So just kind of keep these levels on your charts for the next trading day, the prior day's highs and prior day's lows. And that's how we traded today. So it was up about 7-8% on the day. I only took one trade for the day, and I was done. So pretty good trading there today. Simple price action using key levels. Just waiting for a reaction. So hit like, subscribe, man. Join the Discord. I got some more content coming. If you want to learn how to invest in particular sectors, you want to learn how to do the stocks, trading, day trading options, join the Discord, man. Got a nice trading group we got going. So See you guys over there.